Right? It just got here. I told you. That's my fly. Oh, that's a nice one too. And you said 10 minutes something rose. I just toss out there random first cast.
Before you came out?
Yeah. I just came down here and this is not a bad one. This is not a bad. No, what I'm saying is that me catching it.
Yeah.
Looks like a maybe brown trout.
Oh, it's a rainbow.
Well, let me get around there, you guys. Oh, you got a nice. I got same Bluetooth speakers. Ah. Well, this is not a 40-incher for sure. I better go to the boat ramp here. A lot easier for me to walk in. Oh yeah, nice rainbow. Come on, buddy, you coming in? Oh, dang it. Oh, nice one. Another one on the Y ugly. Brown trout. Got him. Oh, son of a biscuit. That was a nice one. Oh man, missed 3 nice ones in here. I'm afraid of a lightning. Got him. That time I got him. Hopefully my video is still going. It is going. I gotta get out of here so I can catch the other guys in there. Oh, this is bigger than I thought. Oh man, come on back. Oh, shucks. Turn, fish. Come on back up. Darn it. Water too shallow. He doesn't want to hang around the shallow water. It was my mistake pulling out of the deeper water. Should have landed there. I wasn't worried about the other guys in there. Dang it, rain's coming down. I don't have rain jacket, lightning, my net. Okay, you'll be getting tired by now a little bit, buddy. I'm gonna go downstream and pull down towards me. Oh. Ah, dang it. Come on. Oh, dang it. Okay, come on in this side. In the pool right here. Okay. Oh, shucks. This guy navigate this water better than I do. Come on, I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. Here we go. It's coming in. You're getting tired now. I'm getting tired. There we go. Okay, get in the net. Get in the net, buddy. There we go. Yeah. Dang it. I didn't put my sunscreen. The sun is out. Oh, dang it. Shaw? Is that what it say? Darn it. I lost one already. Cha! I don't know why I catch so many fish in the first cast. I don't get it. Lucky, maybe? Nah, using the right fly. Oh, there it goes. I told you I'd get him. Brown trout. Well, 2 for 2, better land one. This rod is getting my favorite now, this Walmart. That's very pretty. No foul hook marks, nothing. Look at that, very, very clean. Nobody snags that. Oh, son of a gun. Ah, bust it off. Aye. Got him. That's a good one. Probably male, dark color. Just bust the big one over there with the fly and everything. So I got a new tippet. So it's not gonna break it off. Come on, net, what's going on here with my net? Oh, something wrong with my net here. I guess I better hand land it. Take my gloves off. My hand. Top that center. Nice trout. You're not that fast. Oh, third time I got him. Yeah, buddy. You couldn't resist my why uglier. Maybe a little bigger than last one, maybe. Maybe land without the handle on this net. It's better. Better than... Come on, buddy. Got him that time. How big are you? It just sucked it in. Not a bad fish.